Hey guys, we're back here in the chicken coop. We got some more chickens. We got that one right there. We got that one. We got that big rooster. And we got that one. And we got that one that's pointing its ass towards me, and the other one that's pointing its ass towards me. And that other big rooster that's its wings are hanging out. But yeah, I got them all last night. I got my first fertile egg. I'm gonna start making my own chickens. Hopefully to support me and my friends. So it should be good enough. Whoever wants to buy some, let me know. We'll put the link in one of the descriptions that when I'm cleaning my coop out or some chicken video, we'll put a description down when we get a nice process going. And we want to provide birds that no one else has and off seasons. A lot of people don't sell birds when it's off season because they don't got the time or whatever, but we're gonna be the ones that are the off-season ones and that are the best ones. We're gonna be the best ones out there. We're gonna try what we can. We're gonna do what we can to make it. My buddy, the Life in New Hampshire, he just got a huge ass incubator. He got like 120 fucking egg incubator. We're gonna go all the way, and then we're just starting small, 120, and then we're gonna work our way up to thousands. You know, but it takes time and money to get there. Look at that. Beautiful. They're all coming down to say hi. Yeah, let me get all the shavings in here and the new food. I'll get you back to you guys. Alright guys, we got all the shavings in there. We got the food. We got the water. We're all having some dinner now. Look at this big rooster. Gonna be dominant. Garden food. What about that big rooster? Is he gonna come down? I don't know, we'll see. He's getting ready for landing. I don't know how much longer he's gonna live. All the birds pick on him. Look at him. He looks like a PJ, Blue Jay or whatever. PJ, I'm talking about Blue Jay. Yeah, he gets beat on. I don't know. He's not sick. I know that. I see his poop and everything. They just don't like him. Whatever. But yeah, they definitely don't get along. The new ones show their dominance like a motherfucker. Let me tell you that. Alright, mine that I had before, which was only like 2. Yeah, and my meat bird showed dominance like hell. Like, look at this one. Like, this one will protect if all it can to get some food. They definitely get food and water every single day. You gotta see my videos, so I don't know. They're doing good though. I got my first fertile egg. Keep it up. Keep it going. I'll be excited. Have a little farm going. Look at that one. Yep. Oh yeah, and I got that one too. But yeah, they're getting there. Got to get more birds soon. I had a Fisher cat creeping earlier. That's why I have this out. Fucking, yeah. They were creeping earlier. My brother was out on the porch over there. See the porch off the house? Yeah, he was over there and he saw a Fisher cat right next to that big tree. Right there. So, I don't know what the hell's going on, but if they want to play some games, we can play some games. But yeah. They're bad rounds. But yeah, bring it on, Fish-A-Cat. I'm not impressed. My first day. Yeah.
Yeah, move that cage over because when I bring that thing out there, I want it to go that way.
All right. Yeah, we're getting some sensors out here, motion sensors. So when that thing comes, I'm gonna blast from that window. That one, right? Either that one, which is my room, or that one. I hope that one, because then I'll have all my guns and everything else ready to go. But yeah, we're getting ready for tonight. Hopefully that cocksucker comes and I get him, because I am not having all my birds getting eaten up again. I just got new ones, as you guys seen. It is not good. I am so pissed off that I gotta deal with this stuff every time I get a freaking chickens or livestock. I'm so sick of it. I just want I don't know. But drag John or grab the fucking, what's it called? Motion detector. We're gonna put it right there. And it's gonna be pointing towards the door. And it's gonna beep when it sees an animal or whatever walks by it, or whatever it sees, and it's gonna let me know in my room. I'm just gonna open up and blast, dude. I'm not fucking around this time. Like, they got all my birds last time, they're not getting them this time. I'm gonna take good care of these ones. I took care of my last ones, and the motherfucking big ass bear came and stole them. All of them. I shot at the cocksucker with my fucking, what was it? It was a 30-30 Marlin. I had hit him. I don't know how I didn't hit him. I shot a skunk earlier that night from the same distance, same window, same gun, same bullet, everything. I don't understand. And yeah, I thought the skunk was eating my chickens for some reason, but until a bear came later on that night and started ripping my door down, opened my window up, and I freaking smoke them. But yeah, obviously I missed or something. But anyways, have a good night, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Can't be good at it.